Retrospective is a time to reflect on the highs and lows. So bring out your clear lens and let's see things differently with this retrospective template. Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video, and in this video we'll take a look at a Miroverse template, a retrospective template called Eye to Eye Retrospective. A link to this template will be available in the description of this YouTube video. And now what we have on our screen is the template itself. What we do is we start with an icebreaker. We split into two teams and then we will pick a subject from these notes. So it's hidden at the moment, but when you start, one person will pick it up and will draw. Or as a team, what you'll do is you'll take turns to draw that subject. And each person in the team will take about, like, let's say, a minute. So you can time each person's turn to about a minute or even half a minute, and then each person basically completes the drawing that the other person left off to then, as a whole in the canvas, it should basically look like that subject. So obviously both the big teams will take turns into both these canvases, and then you all can decide which one actually wins the icebreaker. Then we have a 6x6 vision. What went well? It's always good to have a 6x6 vision, and obviously everything looks good in hindsight. So what went well? Make some notes of that in this little circle over here. As a team, each person can put out their notes. Now, blurry without glasses. What didn't go well? Now, for those of us who actually need glasses, we know this little thing very well. When we go for eye test, this is what we basically see. Things look blurry without the right lens, and a retrospective is a good chance to make a note of what didn't really go well in the last sprint. So make a note of that here. And then seeing into the future, take some actions. So this is a time where you've obviously seen that things that didn't go well, and now you could potentially make notes of what are the actions that you can take as a team so that things in the future will start looking much better. So some actions, and that as a team you can own for the next sprint that you would like to make those minor changes, and hopefully in the next retrospective after that, things will look a lot better. So that was it really. This is the eye to eye retrospective. Everything we spoke about, the instructions are also on this page. And basically on this page is also a like button which you can click. You can also share it with your network, and then you click this use template blue color button to copy this template to your Miro board, and you can even click this drop down to copy to an existing Miro board. So that was it. That was it for this video. Thanks for sticking around. If you do like the content on this YouTube channel, give this video a like. Even click the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow for more video content to come on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. That's all for now.